everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, with this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to know if someone is online on Instagram. So for that, first thing is open the Instagram application and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now, once you have been logged in into the Instagram, what you need to do is you need to make sure that you're running the latest version of the Instagram application. If you are not using the latest version, this update might not be available. So for that, go to Google Play Store. Then on the search bar, you type in Instagram, tap on search. You can see the Instagram application. So make sure that the Instagram is updated to its latest version. Now, once that is done, you can go back to Instagram. The another way how you can check someone is online is turn on your activity status if it isn't already. To do so, you need to go to the profile on the bottom right, then tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. From there, you need to tap on Setting and Privacy. Tap that. Now, once you're at the Setting and Privacy, you need to tap on the search bar and there you need to type in Activity Status. You can see the option available, so activity status. You tap that option. Now you need to tap on the toggle, moving it to the right side, that is turning the activity status. This will allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or currently active on Instagram application. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see any activity status of other accounts. Likewise, you will have the option of show when you're active together. This option allows accounts you follow or anyone you message to see when you're both active in the same chat. You'll also be able to see when they're active in the same chat. These are the two options how you can see when someone is online on Instagram. So these are the way how you can see if someone on Instagram is online or not. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.